assisted in porting of data prior to correction and updation, sir. Taking advantage of the Tehsildar's inability to check the correctness of the manual PANI with the concerned file, some unscrupulous elements got their names entered, or probably at the instruction of one family, their names were entered at Pattedars in Dharani, sir, without any authority, without any record. As a result, in several instances, the existing names of Pattedar found replaced with new names which were suggested again by one family. This is what is happening, sir. When affected parties applied to Tehsildar to furnish authority for replacing their names, the stock replies that the record is not available, thus throwing the affected parties into confusion as to where to go and whom to contact, sir. Based on the survey number, serial number wise details, sir, furnished by Endowment, Waqf and Forest Department, claiming the lands belong to the departments, those lands have been placed in prohibitory list, sir, without any intimation to the Pattedar on record for such land. In fact, the department was supposed to furnish necessary documents, evidence to Tehsildar and also to the district collectors to show the land belonged to them. The Tehsildars too never insisted for submission of such evidence. In fact, the 1971 Act and rules made thereunder, the Tehsildar were duty bound to give notice to Pattedar on record for such land, which they failed to do and unilaterally placed them in prohibitory list, sir. Thousands of applications filed in Dharani portal to such prohibition act, sir, on account of the above and many other reasons, sir. Lakhs of applications are getting filed for redressal for affected person, and there seems to be no end in sight, sir. The number of applications filed ever since the introduction of Dharani portal in November 2020 to the date exceeded to 20 lakhs, sir. 20 lakhs. Isn't a shame to the then government, sir? 20 lakh is a small number. Sad. But still they are not interested. They are protesting for one family member. Sir, in the course of interaction with IT expert by the committee, the experts were of the opinion that there was a scope to gain entry into the database without any ID and PW, sir. Without any ID and PW, and make changes. In fact, there are several allegations that during the period of run-up to the assembly polls, several changes of ownership in respect of valuable government land took place without the knowledge of Tehsildar, RDO, collector, CCLA. It was without these knowledge, but with the knowledge of one family, sir. But with the knowledge of one family, sir. Also the CCLA, sir. Therefore, what Honorable Minister Sahab had said about forensic audit is needed and required, and we welcome this, sir. For all the above reasons, lapses which are administrative in nature, it is unfair to make the parties suffer, sir. It is unfair, sir, to make the parties suffer. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, as per the provision, sir, a member has a right to table the speech also. But I am not tabling, sir, because I want our people of state to listen to what they did. How much of distress they have caused and how much of loss they have caused. Oh, they are unable to listen. That is why they are going away. Fine. You did the right thing. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, for the above reason, sir, this is the success, sir. I would say the people who come to represent the people, sir, the legislators who have come here to raise the people issues have won, sir, and one family has lost. administrative in nature, it is unfair to make the parties suffer, sir. Therefore, written instructions, orders need to be issued to verify the correctness of the data ported in Dharani portal by the Tehsildar, so moto with reference to the authentic manual records and corrected so moto